All right, what is up, guys? Welcome to the ClickFunnels course. We're gonna go through a lot of really fun stuff here. Basically, the reason that I'm doing this course and giving it away for basically free is because I just want to kind of give back to what ClickFunnels has allowed me to do. It's allowed me to really create like a very large business with a very few employees. Multi-million dollar business, really with only 2 employees, and they're both virtual assistants working out of the Philippines. And if you guys are watching, then I appreciate this very much, and I love you both. So we're not going to go through a bunch of like social proof or anything like that, right? I mean, in the last 12 months, I've made, a significant amount of money using ClickFunnels. You can see, in the last week, we've done a little bit over 140 grand, and that's pretty much all profit because it is digital products. So we're not going to do a lot of social proof. If you guys haven't heard of me, check me out on YouTube if you want. It's Kevin David, or join one of my groups, right? We have some of the biggest Facebook groups in the world for e-commerce, Facebook ads, Shopify, Amazon, things like that. And so what we're going to be doing for this course is teaching you how, I won my first 2 Comma Club. If you're familiar with ClickFunnels, you know that they give those out to people who have done $1 million or more with one funnel. So my very first funnel that I ever did, we did $1 million, and we've probably done closer to 4 million by now in about 13 months with that one. And I will have my third 2 Comma Club award soon, in probably the next few months. And so I do know what I'm talking about. I promise. I'm not saying any of that to brag, obviously. I just want you guys to know that this course is not from like some random person, right? I've done it. I've created $3 million, multi-million dollar funnels, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do that over the next few minutes, few hours. So buckle up, put away Facebook, put away all the distractions, and get ready for the only ClickFunnels course that you'll ever need. And remember, guys, when you are joining, we will have a website here, officialkevindavid.com/ClickFunnels, which will have all of the resources you need, right? How to sign up for your 14-day free trial, how to join our ClickFunnels Facebook group, and how to join, all of the other things that you're going to need to do. Again, it's going to be officialkevindavid.com/ClickFunnels, and there will be resources in the course itself as well, below the video or in one of the little spots that says resources. So let's get into things. What is a sales funnel? Why is it important, right? So ClickFunnels and kind of sales funnels in general have replaced websites. And the reason that they've replaced websites, guys, is because there's too much, like websites are overwhelming, right? It's like, I always give the example, like when you go to the grocery store and there's 100 different types of cereal, it's much more difficult to choose than if there's 2 types or 1 type, right? If there's only 1 type of cereal and you want cereal, you'll take that type of cereal unless it's like some horrible flavor or something like that. But what ClickFunnels does and what it allows you to do is a few very important things. First and foremost, it literally funnels people where you want them to go, right? Like if I see this page, it's very obvious as a consumer, this is where I'm supposed to click, right? There's one button here. And this is an example of one of my funnels that I actually use, I really use in real time. And this is a funnel that we use that works very well for our business. Again, you click the only button here, and this is, again, very obvious what you're supposed to do. There's no real kind of distractions here. It's showing, some proof here. And then literally it's just kind of the submit payment button, and that's all there is to it. So I'll give another example. This is another funnel that I did for Shopify. Again, pretty simple stuff here. A lot of testimonials, very obvious where you're supposed to click as far as your next kind of path in the funnel. So that is, just some examples of the funnels that I personally use, and kind of how to funnel people directly where you want them to go. And this works with physical products, this works with digital products, this works for pretty much selling anything. You want to move people down the line, down the progression of your funnel, and get them to, eventually do what you want, which is purchase. And so we're going to talk about ClickFunnels, how incredible this software is, right? You can sell a product, you can collect payment, you can integrate autoresponders, which is basically like, sending people emails after they sign up for your email list, things like that. We're going to talk about Backpack, which is ClickFunnels affiliate program. So let's say that you're selling like $1,000 product or something like that. People can sign up to affiliate market your product. So let's say that I have a $1,000 course and I give a 40% affiliate commission, right? People can sign up through my affiliate sign up, and they can sell my course with their affiliate link, and they'll make $400 every time they sell my $1,000 course. And so that's what Backpack is. ClickFunnels, this allows you to build funnels. Actionetics is their autoresponder, so you can build out email sequences, which sends them, send somebody an email after 3 days that says, hey, thanks for signing up for my email list. After 6 days, it says, check out our mini course. After 9 days, it says, check out our webinar, right? Or whatever kind of the progression is. And then again, Backpack is how you build out affiliates and let other people promote your products for a percentage of the sale price, guys. So that is ClickFunnels kind of in a nutshell. And now let's get into some more fun stuff in the next video.